Hello everyone, back to another video, and today we're going to do a card trick with a prediction. So I've written down a prediction right here, and I'm going to take this prediction and I'm going to put it inside the box so you can hear it inside the box. And now what we are going to do is really simple. So we'll give the cards a shuffle. We can give it one more shuffle, and we can give it few cuts too. So now I want the spectator to say stop anywhere they like. So let's say they say stop right there, so I'll just cut at that card, and from here the last card is theirs. So I'll just turn around so y'all can look at the card. Actually, if I look at the card, doesn't matter. So let's say I just lose it right there. So if you see, your card is not on the bottom, that's the 6 of diamonds, so not on the bottom nor on the top. What if I said that your card actually is in this box right now? So if you open this box, you can see a card and my prediction. So let's just remove the prediction. See, the card is inside the box, and I'll keep the cards aside, and I'd like the spectator to open my prediction. So let's say they pick it up and they open it, and if you see, I predicted your card the 6 of hearts. And if you all remember, there's also a card inside this box. So I would like the spectator to just tap on the box. So just tap, and if you see, there no holes and you can't hear the card also. This card actually is your card. So that was the trick, and let's get into the tutorial for that. So here's the tutorial for the card trick. So for this card trick, you need a box of the cards, a random card, and a prediction. And actually, when I was editing the performance, there was a lot of noise in the background, so I'm sorry for that. So now let's get into the tutorial. So you all need a random card, and you have to write down the random card, and this will go inside the box with a random card, any random card. Let's say you just place that inside, and now this is going to be the spectator's card. So you'll just place this on the bottom, and now you're going to start the trick by, you all can give it a shuffle, but you all have to remember this pile will go first. So you all can give it a shuffle, and you all can give it some cuts. So what I did in the card trick, so I Swiss cut the top 2 packets, and the bottom packet I just place it down. So 1, 2, and this goes down. So now the card is still on the bottom, and I'll ask the spectator to say stop anywhere they want. Let's say they said stop right there. So now what I do from here is, from the bottom I just pull out this card with my thumb, so it looks like say stop, and I just pull this card out like that right there. So I'll just show it once more. So the spectator says stop, so I just pull it from the bottom, and that's the bottom card now. So basically we just forced a card to the spectator, the 6 of hearts. So now what you'll do is, when I look away, in my previous video you all would have seen that you lift one card up, but when we look away this time, we are going to lift 2 cards and hold a pinky break right there. So pinky break is basically your pinky holding a break right there. So now we are just going to take the card. When we come back from here, we do a wrist kill, and we take their card and we place it on top. We flip all 3 cards. So now basically the card is the third card. Then we take a random card, place it in the middle, and we show them that a card is not on the bottom nor on the top. And now we just, what I did in the trick is I just refill through the pack roughly half, and I just take the top card, place it right there, and I just slap the back. That's it. And while you all doing this, you all need to understand that the spectator has to be distracted. So you all just point at the box and you all tell them that the card is actually in the box. So now what I did is, the top card, their card, we hold a pinky break right there, take the box, place it on the cards, and while we open the cards, we show them that there's a card inside and our prediction. So we remove the prediction, close the box, and now what I basically do is I hold a pinky break right there. So I actually pick up the box and the first card with it. So we hold a pinky break, place the box on top of it, and we pick up the first card and the box. Place this aside, and then we'll ask the spectator to open this. They'll see that it's the 6 of hearts, and then you all just ask the spectator to just tap it. So they'll tap and you just let go of the card, and then you all can just show it that this is their card. So yeah, that was the trick, and hope you all like it.